if a Jew is Mechalel Shabbos, how much this punishment or ban is on him?
How much punishment for a Jew that Mechalel Shabbos?
How much time and who is deciding a court something?
Okay. So in when we have the Beis Hamikdash, when we have Sanhedrin, our great court of 72 people, says 71. So what was it? So that only if they catch somebody, a Jew that do melacha, one of the 29 melachas that we learn in our different class that tomorrow, Beezrat Hashem, we're going to learn another melacha. So and they warn him and stuff like that. They question the witnesses, so they give him death penalty basically. But if there were no witnesses, so he gets death penalty from Hashem himself.
So finally, if one is unsure or sure, not very sure if he's Mechalel Shabbos, it is a sin for try to be counted as part of minyan.
Well, on his side, 100%, yes, he has to say.
Okay.
I mean, we are not policemen. We like when, for example, when a new person comes to synagogue, right? When I daven, like I don't know, the people comes from I don't know. I never seen it before. I've been davening there for several years now, and there are many people come, and other people know that. I don't know, maybe they visit some, maybe they used to live in the neighborhood. I have no idea. So we assume when we see a person with a kippah, right, and you see that he's not first time in the synagogue, so we assume that he's a kosher Jew. That's it, unless you have some reason to suspect he's not. You understand? So we can count all of them.